A quick little update on my shop area here. So this is where the washer used to be. Now I've got my sink set up with my towels. I need to actually put those up on the wall. Got fresh water here, this jug, little metal coffee mug here with a top on it so that the dust and dirt doesn't settle in from the shop. My soap, whole box full of different attachments for my angle grinder. Obviously the shop vac. I got one of those pallets put up and I'm using to kind of hang stuff on. So I've got that denim jacket I use for welding, that old welding mask that came with it, welding gloves, ear protection, hammer, cord wrapped up, squeegee, dustpan, broom, a few bags full of random hardware. I got my welding cart under the table, a big old box I'm using for trash. Double-ended wrenches all through here, going from, I think it starts at around 8mm, goes all the way up to 26mm. My vise. Over here, obviously, I got my drill press. I got my cutting oil down here. I got two different things full of oil depending on how I need to put it on. These are my new drill bits that I need to actually clean up. This cuts 50mm holes, which is the perfect size for a bar, for a gym bar. Got these new clamps here, along with these. Actually, along this barrier right here, where it goes from being covered to uncovered, I'm actually probably going to put up some doors or cover or something to kind of separate the inside area from the outside area. And that's what I'm wanting to do with this big opening in the back too, is put up some screen or some tarp or something, just to not only keep a larger majority of the bugs from just drifting in unobstructed, but also to slightly dampen the sound from my neighbors and kind of keep my privacy so people can't just look over and see what I'm doing. Well, considering I had taken a 5+ year break from welding and I just taught myself how to stick weld about a week and a half ago, I'd say that these welds are starting to turn out rather pretty. Alright, so these are the adjustable safeties. This is going to be the part that slides up and down, has the holes in it for adjustment, and this is going to be the big old bar that catches the barbell if it falls on you. Well, so it doesn't fall on you. The bench works. I also want the option to be able to remove these pretty easily if I ever need to. So instead of using standard screws, I'm using these lag bolt types that actually have a socket head on it. Little, I think it's about 8mm. But I don't gotta worry about stripping out the Phillips head or a flathead. That'll retain its shape much easier, meaning that over the years, no matter with weather, corrosion, whatever, I'll be able to remove these a lot easier if I need to. All right, finally starting to look a little more proper with that framing. I think it's about ready for some plywood and some insulation now. And they're secure. I mean, I ain't going nowhere. That's one beam. All right, I'm up on the fifth level up now. Very, very top, where all we've got is like the metal roof of my work area right here, our water tank, and pumps and things like that. What I'm doing is I'm looking down the back side of our house here and seeing how easy I can access the back side of the house from up here. So I can, basically the idea is to crawl down there and put up the exterior wood for the exterior part of the wall. Because obviously I can't climb out and put it on because I can't get back in. So I gotta find a way to access the outside so I can put up the plywood and seal it up before then climbing back onto the interior side and putting up the interior wall. So trying to figure out my angle of attack here. I finally found a place that gives me all the wood I could possibly ever want, and I think they sell insulation too. All right, I got some wood, I got some insulation. Good to go.
Hey there.
Oh, hey there.
Hey there. Good thing I didn't say anything inappropriate.
That's the start. Still got a small gap I gotta fill though, but good start. Gotta watch my step though. It's about 4 stories down. I used that to cut that, and now I've got that. All right, almost done. Django said he's coming over. And he called me all confused as fuck because he can't remember where I live. I thought he was on the street because he was asking what house number I was on. Now I'm out here in the street. No fucking Django.
Wow. Your house is like the middle.
And I'm also going to build a wall right here with a door. There's going to be a wall right here.
Oh my God, who teach you?
My dad.
This is what I'm gonna do. I will ask if somebody give me money, and I ask some special guy help me to do it. And I will sit here, work and make money. You save a lot of money, man. Seriously.
Right now, this is a new bench I'm going to make.
Yeah?
Yeah, I designed it already. I have a backward angled leg.
Wow.
Instead of like my current one where it comes straight down and goes back, this one's going to curve back. And then it's going to have the adjustable upright this style, kind of like my squat stance.